Hey guys, I just finished watching an episode of Weikfield's Winter Desert Safari and it reminded me of how much I used to love having warm custard as a kid. I always wanted to try something different with custard powder, so just like in the series, I'm going to use Weikfield's custard powder and the items in my fridge to make a new winter dessert.
To a pan, add 1 cup of chopped strawberries, sugar and some water. When it starts getting mushy, add orange juice and stir until it comes to jam-like consistency. Heat milk in a saucepan, dissolve custard powder in some warm milk and add once the milk boils. Add sugar and keep stirring until it starts thickening. Now place a round slice of bread and arrange cut strawberries around it. Spread the strawberry compote that we just prepared and repeat with layers of bread and compote. Top with warm custard and garnish with strawberries and mint.
I hope you give this a try and if you do, please let me know. Also check out Winter Desert Safari on Weikfield social media pages. They have some pretty cool, really warm winter recipes. Until next time, see you.